Updating your email address in Outlook is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Open Outlook. Launch the Outlook application on your computer. Make sure you are logged into the account you wish to update. Step 2. Access account settings. Click on the File tab located in the upper left corner of the window. From the menu that appears, select Account Settings, then choose Account Settings again from the drop-down. Step 3. Select your account. In the Account Settings window, you will see a list of your email accounts. Click on the account for which you want to update the email address. Step 4. Change email address. With your account selected, click on Change. In the next window, you can edit your email address. Make the necessary changes and ensure the new address is correct. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your email address, click Next to proceed, then finish once the changes are confirmed. Finally, close the Account Settings window to return to Outlook. Make sure to check your new email address for any verification emails or additional steps required by your email provider. Keeping your contact information updated helps ensure you receive important communications.